So let's play Ni No Kuni. This is the game, man. This is the game. Let's do this. I love my character. She's pretty. I wanna be with her. Heaven.
Time for magic.
Time for magic it is, yo. Let's do this. I just got my coffee, done my work. It's rest time. I wish this could be the real life. I wish like we could just play the game with no stress.
You're back.
We destroyed the machines.
Yes, I can sense it as well.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
My friends, yo. Boy, these people. Let's summon some peeps. Wow. There's a lot of happening in this game. Whoa. Look at all these peeps, man. They're not as cute as Pokemon though. This one I want to go, man. I want to get this one. How do I don't even understand what I'm doing. Is this what I want? I think I need a better... What do I want? No, this one's not cute. What do I want? I think they're all not cute though, so. It's got a lot of work. The people did this really added a lot of work. So much work was done here for a game. What an investment. Silly those who made us to say the game provided jobs. So that's good. I think I want the Dragon's good. Red Dragon's good. I think I'm... Okay. I want a new roll. These are all reds. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Even just looking at opening the eggs, It's just so good. This one I don't kind of like as it's scary. You know what? I'm gonna claim it. Yeah, let's claim that. There's a lot of text happening. There's a lot in the eye. Why did they do this though? Like you could just, it's just a lot of stuff going on. Do people really care? And all this text going on. I don't know. It's a lot. It's good work doing this, but I really like it. I like the visuals and all the eye candy, but it would be nice if they were simpler and just plain text. Look at that. Yeah. I guess there's a balance. You look at this sometimes and then sometimes you also get text. Wow. Okay. I don't even know what I did there. Just clicked. Oh, it just crashed. The game crashed. Occasional hiccups. It's just beautiful visuals, this game. But, yeah. Oh, okay. And let's continue this. How long have I been streaming now?
As long as we're together.
View stats. View status bar. Okay, this is 8 minutes of the game. Why did I disappeared? I'm already done with this. But
Do you know? Thanks.
Bye.
I don't really like to dig into all those numbers. I don't even know what I did with those pets. I know what happened there. But the eye candy though. Eye candy is just, look at that. I just want to look at it and do that and do that. And make it go dance. Just look at that. Ah, beautiful, beautiful place. Alright, there.
Hey, are you? So you're the old lady who...
Oh.
It's my mouse. I know what just happened there. The mouse is gone.
Time for magic.
Whoa, what happened there? Is that a glitch?
Hey, are you the mayor of Zephyr Station?
Where's
So
the mayor?
you're
Oh,
the
that's
old
good.
lady who sent a
Oh.
The game keeps crashing, so this is it now.